Yo, what's poppin'? Welcome to the next video. This is gonna be continuing off our last video because we're not able to complete it, but we're gonna complete it today 100%. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna finish the other side of the valve cover, but I'm just gonna briefly just go over it, not too much because you already saw the other side. So it's more like I'm gonna show y'all how the finished product came out. So I'm excited about that, and we might add some more cuts from some other cuts that I had that I have not released. So I might add it to this video depending how it goes. But let's stop talking, more working, so let's get to it. All right, my amigos, my friends, we got this side all cleaned up, all torqued down. That valve cover is going nowhere, and hopefully there's no leaks. That's the main goal for today, and we're gonna do the same on this side and hopefully get all that done today so we can get this bad girl started today, you know what I mean? And hopefully go for a test drive, but we just gotta see how fast we can get this other side done and go from there. All right. So as you see, we finally got this side out, and yes, I did say that I was gonna take the intake, but then I realized that you really didn't even need to, but I was just still gonna do it just to replace the seals on it. But I ran into a problem trying to take it off because I didn't have one of these fuel tools that you need, and I bought some and they didn't fit. So I was like, whatever, stay in there. So I'm glad we were able to get this side out, and now we're just gonna head on and clean this bad boy out and get her back in there. So let's get the cleaning going. Peeps, so we finally got this side of the head all cleaned up. Now we just got to clean the valve cover and get this bad boy in, and yeah, hopefully the install should be a lot quicker and we should have this truck running in no time. But as you can see, I really took my time and cleaned every edge. Obviously it's not going to be perfect, but it works. It's good, it's clean, it should seal good, as you can see. So yeah, let's get this valve cover in, and let's put this bad boy back together. Actually, bad girl, yeah, she's a girl. Peace out. Alright guys, we finally got that right side done. She's looking really nice, and now we just got to start it and make sure she doesn't leak. And yeah, let me just show you how the finished product came out, and I'm really happy how it came out, but let's just hope it doesn't leak. But just look at that, big difference, a lot cleaner. I'm happy, and yeah, let's get this bad boy started. But let's get the keys. Kind of a little nervous right now. Hopefully she doesn't do something crazy, because we did take the valve covers off on both sides. All right. Ooh, that starter kind of sounds a little bad, but that's all right. We might fix it in the near future. But let's see. Ooh. So far far so good. Running, idling where she should be. Actually, let's check. Let's check where it's idling right now, honestly. Ooh, yeah, that's where we want her. And yeah, this is not mine. My sister took over the car when it was just sitting for ages, and she decided to, you know, put that on there. It's gonna come right off, but as you can see, she's burning out all that excess oil, all that fluid. That got on the exhaust that we sprayed on, but we're gonna let her run for a bit and then maybe go for a ride. So we'll catch y'all in a bit. All right, guys, so about that time. She's ready to go. About to take her on her first test drive. First, let's get these bolts out of the way. She's ready to go. Let's hope we don't get stopped because we ain't got no tags. But we're just gonna drive behind our neighborhood. Shouldn't be too bad. Fuck! Alrighty, let's get this bad puppy on the road. Get it. See, driving, we ride. Yeah. I mean, she's driving good. I mean, she didn't have any problems before, but well, she does have a leak. Our trans cooler lines are still leaking, so that's gonna be our next fix. For right now, we're just gonna drive for at least a 4-mile drive just to see if it leaks or not, and if it doesn't, we're on the clear. As you can see, she's looking good. Let's see if we can get a better angle. Come on. Yes, sir. All right, well, I'll catch y'all back home. All right, guys, we're back home. Made it home safely, so that's good. And yeah, let's just check out if we got any leaks, which we shouldn't. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, so far so good, I want to say. So that's gonna conclude our video for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope y'all learned something, and catch us in the next video. All right, peace out.